Hello, welcome back. So, Happy New Year, by the way. We're at the beginning of January. I've been working on my quilt, my big giant quilt, but my brain needs a little break from it. So, I've grabbed a piece of scrap fabric and I'm going to make a bookmark. So, my fabric's got a stabiliser on the back. You don't have to use stabiliser. It's just every time I even look at this fabric, it comes apart. And if you take it anywhere near an iron, it just melts. So it's 12 inches by 4 inches, and I've folded it in half. Fold the outside edges in to meet the line, and then fold it in half again. Then fold it in half there. You should iron it really. It'll leave a nice good mark, but the iron's over there and I'm not. So across that line, just sew a row of stitches. Now open it up and it will make that shape. See? Could do with a little iron, but the iron's over there and I'm not. Pop some clips in to hold it straight. Take your two outside pieces, take it back on itself and match them up and put a row of stitches across here. I'm using a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. And then turn it back in the right way. Now I'll go around the whole of the outside with just, I don't know, about 1/8 of an inch seam all the way around. There we go. It's that quick and that easy. I might make a lampshade cover today. I don't know, we'll see how my day pans out. Update on the quilt video will be next week maybe. And if I do make a lampshade video, that'll probably be later this week. Well, Happy New Year and all the best for 2026.